Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport at Caringbah, Sydney, Australia. Sorry, today I got a door trim on the job I was doing before, so I'm going to put this door trim back on. I did not actually do a video prior to this removal of this door trim, but I'll show you when it's off anyway, so it's easier to go through when things are off. So there's only three things you're going to take off when the door trim's still on the car. Is this panel here, you just got to pry it off. They're only clipped on. They're all held on by 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one off. Okay. This little one here, it's inside the door handle. Inside there, it sits like that inside. Just got to pry it out and open the handle like that. Pry it out and take that one off. There's one bolt inside there. You can see in yellow there. One hole there. There's one there. There's one there. 1, 2, 3 T30 bolts. And the last one is the little cover here that goes on this part of the door trim, and there's one more there. Alright, there's 4 screws you gotta take out. So once you take off the 4 screw, you gotta push the door up, because the reason why you gotta push it up, those hooks over here, they hook onto that on the door skin. So you need to push, you don't remove the door trim this way like a 997, 987, 981. You gotta push it up and disconnect this belt and cable from here, from that one there, and then disconnect this one here from that one there. That plug goes over there, so to disconnect it, it sits like this. So you gotta push this down with your finger, at the same time use that finger to unlock it. And that's pretty much it. You take the whole door trim off and then you do your other work. Okay, just a recap. There's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then push the door trim up. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.